crypto friends, we have the biggest enemy of all in the crypto sphere, the public enemy number one, Gary Gensler. You wanna know how some people are trying to fire him? You wanna know the last information about the crypto world, price predictions, and much more? Yes, then smash that like button, cause it's time for crypto news fun on the right, crypto a tope. So maybe you are still in this mood like the panda just hanging there in the tree. Well, maybe we can have some good news in all these fiascos, because now lawmakers are introducing a bill to remove SEC chair, but do they have the authority? So the idea in this article, I leave you all in the description, is that some people are trying to make this guy go out of the SEC. Gary Gensler, we don't like you. You have time till 2026, if I'm not wrong. So some people believe that he is a tyrannical chairman and he should be removed from this responsibility. But he has to be accused of really negligence in order to these people to have the possibility of removing him. So we'll see about that, hopefully so. And you can see if you go to dextools.io, link in the description, our friends and partners, that you have there some interesting pairs today, like for example Silvio for Silvio versus Berlusconi's death, but also we can try to find the Gary, and if you go there you can see all the pairs created making fun of him, and also this one which is up 18% right now, Fire Gary, which is in my opinion hilarious. So we'll see about that. Again, we have more and more footage about him saying that the market is not a security, even though now he's saying otherwise. Listen to this new video.
Over 70% of the crypto market is Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Why did I name those four? They're not securities.
They are not securities. That's what he said in this speech. And now you know that he's saying otherwise. So we'll see about that. Bad news for Binance. They might be indictment in a criminal way. Maybe that's Phil already under seal. That's what former SEC chief is saying. So bad news for Binance, that is removing 10 BNB trading pairs, and also that some of its collaborators, partners are saying goodbye, like Venus Protocol is facing a liquidation of 150 million BNB loan as team takes preventive action. So bad news for Binance, and some concerning news now with Tether, USDT. We had there this piece of information. The CTO had to clarify that the $1 billion USDT mint on Ethereum was just for chain swaps. So it's something internal. It's not going to add that to the supply, but any case interesting. And also scary that those CBDC pilots are going farther now in Thailand. They had this delay, but now two banks are trying to launch these CBDCs with a Singapore payment service. So we'll see about that, and we'll see about China. You know that United States is closing regulation, is trying to kill the market, the crypto market, but in Asia, things are going farther. Now, Bank of China Investment Arm are issuing a tokenized note on Ethereum. So crazy how they ban everything and now they are opening. And also interesting in this battle between dollar and other currencies in the world, that Pakistan paid its first government-to-government import Russian oil in Chinese yuan, ditching the US dollar. So de-dollarization is happening right now. How is reacting the market to all this? Well, we are finally in fear, and this understandable how that is happening. And in the other hand, we can see here that market cap for crypto is in the brink of losing $1 trillion. We lost it for a little bit last week. So yeah, we are so low from that $3 trillion we had in the past. And we have some declaration with Mr. Deep when he lost 95 of its portfolio.
Depp, you're down 95%. Have you ever considered selling?
No, I can't.
I can't.
That's a
No.
no.
So funny memes in order to survive this situation. And also for the optimism, just know that some people are trying to fight back for crypto. Like, for example, in Texas, where we have this blockchain council president saying that Texas will be Silicon Valley of Bitcoin. And remember, here with Stock Money Lizards, the cycles of Bitcoin, we might be here at some point in phase 2, but just wait, you have to be patient, so we enjoy in the future phase 3, hopefully. So the market trying to be in the green, some bubbles are in the green, and some of the most important ones are having a not bad result today after the past 7 days massacre. Bitcoin is trying to hold in the $26,000 line. We'll see about that. Remember, I told you about this gap in the CME future. It will bring us to 26,500 and then again down. Maybe that's what's going to happen. And it has to do a lot with the Fed decision. We'll see about that. Remember, let's focus a little bit into this. Here you can see the last 2 days before the decision in the last 1, 2, 3, 4 occasions, and you can see it's 2 days in the red, 2 days in the red, 2 days in the red, and 2 days in the red. So we might be 2 days in the red for the dollar, which means that we might be 2 days in the green for crypto and the stock market too. And we'll see if we follow this path. We told you everything about this in the last video, so do not miss that out. What about the stock market? Good day for United States yesterday, and Asia is going up today, dollar going down, as I'm telling you. So again, we are doing the same as the last month. Bad news for Coinbase stock going down the last 2 days, and more bad news for Binance Coin going down too, because of Gary Gensler. We'll see about Bitcoin if we can hold this crucial point. It's a weekly chart, so we have to wait a little bit. We might be playing around for the next couple of weeks, but eventually Bitcoin has to decide if we go south to the $20,000 range or we go back and we recover. If you go to the MACD in the technical analysis, you can see that in the monthly we have a bullish cross in the MACD, but in the weekly, we have a bearish cross of the MACD. So you have both sides as always. Ethereum is trying to hold. Remember this very, very important line here. We can't lose. This goes to previous lows, and we'll see if we hold it there with Ethereum or not. The meme coins are going up a little bit. And remember, so funny that best memes are the preference for the crypto sphere. Pepe, the bot I did with our friends in Bit2Me and with the head for information from dextools.io, going down. Very bad investment I did, and you knew it. Any case, let's remember that it's just 20 days, less than 20 days for you to have to do your tax report in Spain. So if you need some information about this, go to clcrypto.com or the YouTube channel they have about this. And if you need a tool for doing your tax report, Cointacking, our friends and partners, link in the description, and they give you, because you are a rider on FunOntheRide, a 10% discount. And talking about partners, Bit2Me, they have a new awesome promotion. You have to take advantage of this. If you bring your crypto to their exchange for a little period of time, I mean that is going to expire this promo in a little bit of time, you will get 2%, which is awesome. Do that. You have a link in the description where you have all the information. And if you want to know more about how this works, I leave you this link where you have all the information. Again, link in the description. Just download the app and you help us indirectly. Thank you very much for your time, and maybe we are all gonna make it, because in the DeFi chart we watch every day, we went crazy high yesterday to the $60 billion. What's going on there? Maybe it's a mistake. We'll talk about that in the next crypto news. And now about some more technological stuff and interesting stuff. We had a rebellion in Reddit. Why? Because now in Reddit they are going to go public and they want money. So you are going to have to pay for your APYs. And that's something the community hated. So now like 6,000 subreddits are inaccessible or are private. And we'll see this strike on Reddit how it works. In my opinion, it's not fair because all these users have been feeding the platform. Remember, they are nothing without us, without you. So now they want to take advantage of all that effort in the community and make money, some of them, which is not fair. And you know about crypto, and you can create an airdrop and distribute all that wellness. So we'll see about that. And now about this topic, futures from China. We have this video, this footage, where you can see that you can pay with your own hand in the future. This is also present a reality right now, and that makes you think if this is going to be good and very convenient, use your hand, or maybe a bad thing. What if they cut your hand, or they force you to use it? Or what if everything is technological in the future? Then you can have doors and allow you or not to do things. So your freedom are in stage right now. But let's think about very cool stuff and happy stuff. Like, for example, this new sport is like a paddle, but with a crazy huge ball and rackets. And remember to be always a child like this girl, having fun, enjoying yourself. Maybe we get all and we lost it, but this guy remembered it for a moment, and you can too. Enjoy life, work your hardest, and doesn't matter if you fail or not because of the crypto sphere. Jump out there as you are so happy, like this crazy dog. I love it. And plant the seeds for a better future today in the actual present. Find a friend, go close to him, and enjoy life like this parrot. Gary Gensler, you are not your friend. We are going to tell you everything about his decisions. Maybe he's fired, maybe no. We'll see that here in Crypto News FunOntheRide. Health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. Crypto a tope, to the moon!